Hey everyone, ever wanted some apps to go through your VPN while others connect directly to the internet? In this video, we show how to use split tunneling in NordVPN so we can set up our connection the way we need. Split tunneling lets us pick which apps or websites use the VPN and which do not. This gives us better control and flexibility over our internet. NordVPN's split tunneling divides our internet traffic, so we can decide which apps use the encrypted VPN tunnel and which go online normally. This feature helps us access local and international content at the same time without slowing down all our apps. The purpose of split tunneling in NordVPN is to let us pick which apps or websites use the VPN and which use our regular internet. This way, we can protect sensitive activity while keeping speed or access for other services, like local streaming or banking, without sending everything through the VPN. Now let's get started. We will go through each step, so it's easy to follow even if you're new. First, open your NordVPN app. While on the main page, go to Settings. You can find Settings in the lower left corner of the app. Here is Settings. Under Settings, you will see General, Account, Connections, and Security, Kill Switch, Split Tunneling, Refer a Friend, and Terms. Since we are focusing on split tunneling, we go to Split Tunneling. Just click Split Tunneling. In this section, we can set up split tunneling. If we want to use split tunneling, we turn this on. We then pick the connection type for each app. Next, we select the apps where we want to use split tunneling. And that's how we use split tunneling in NordVPN. This feature lets us decide which apps or websites use the VPN, while others use our regular connection, giving us more control and flexibility. Make sure to set it up carefully for the apps you want protected and those you do not. Stay in control. Bye-bye.